this MAID program is being used for. And me being a 30-year patient, I know how those medications they look down on, how they can change a person's life. They definitely did me. Like, I had a tree fall on me when I was 16. I had numerous injuries as a teenager. I was very reckless. Then I was in a major car accident at 24 that I had a woman hit me head on. What do you think, Coop? Should we go this way? Yeah, very bad car accident. I had a woman hit me head on, 70 mile an hour, and then I had a transport fully loaded hit me from behind. It completely crushed the car. And wow, this is not easy to get across. And yeah, I was pronounced dead 3 times in that accident. So I don't know what this trail is. I hope we don't get lost. It's marked off, at least. But hopefully it comes out somewhere that I recognize. It's definitely not used much, though. As